Best Visitor Management System Accessories for 2023. Visitor management accessories are essential for making life easier and more streamlined in the workplace. You might have made your visitor management system completely digital, a great move, but there are little extras that can make the station more inviting. Things like an enclosure to add more of a VIP feel, and a little privacy, can really spruce things up. A printer for ID badges ensures maximum efficiency, and in these times, you can't forget things like hand sanitizer to ensure everyone stays safe. Your visitors deserve to arrive and sign in somewhere that makes them feel welcome. Whether they are touring your facilities or just dropping off a delivery, your business should give everyone the same treatment. Low-cost accessories. Sign-on system enclosure. A sign-on system enclosure is a great way to make your visitor station more private and exclusive. Barrier posts. Barrier posts are the perfect addition to a visitor station, as they provide both security and style. They can also help control foot traffic coming in and out of your facility while also providing your guests with an easy way to find where they need to go. ID badge printer. ID badge printers are a great way to ensure maximum efficiency. With a machine, visitors will fill out their forms with ease and get their badges printed quickly. ID badge inserts. ID badge inserts are a great way to make sure your visitor badges look professional. Not only do they add an extra layer of security, but they also make the badges look more presentable and create a good impression on visitors. Hand sanitizer. Finally, in these times, hand sanitizer is a must. Whether it's at the entrance or dotted around your facility, providing hand sanitizer helps keep everyone safe. Pre-made visitor pack. Finally, if you're looking for a more complete package, why not consider a pre-made visitor pack? These packs come with all of the essentials to help make your visitors feel welcome. While these aren't a necessity, advanced software features can be a fantastic implementation for specific types of businesses, namely, healthcare and industries that require thorough background checks on staff and visitors alike. Sex offender screening. This is an important step to ensure that those entering your facility are safe and appropriate. Sex offender screening will check any potential visitors against the National Sex Offender Database. Government denied party screening. Finally, government denied party screening is important for some businesses. This will perform a visitor check against a list of people who are not allowed to enter the country or certain premises due to their past behavior. Pro tip: visit us reception partners with Credencia, a credential verification system to offer an advanced screening package. Conclusion: having the right sign-on system enclosure, barrier posts, ID badge printer, inserts, and hand sanitizer can help make your visitor station secure and efficient. Ultimately, it is important to ensure that you are as prepared as possible for visitors coming in and out of your facility. With the right equipment and software, you can ensure that your visitor station runs smoothly and efficiently, providing a safe and secure environment for everyone.